Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text field in Jetpack Compose using Jetpack Compose in native Android application, and we will be making use of BasictextField2, which is a new text field in Jetpack Compose. So here, as you can see, I have one text field on my screen and it has a red border, and if I want I can type something, so like basic text field, and I have applied some fonts as well. So I'll show you how to use this. So first, just create a Jetpack Compose application using Android Studio, like an empty Compose project. Once you do that, as you can see, I have kept everything as default, and I have only changed this greeting component. I have removed any inputs to it, and here, as you can see, I have used a basic text field 2, and it takes a state, and the state is of type remember text field state. If you are using a view model, you can use text field state directly inside your view model instead, by removing this remember thing. But if you are writing the state inside your composable, use remember text field state, pass that state to your text field. Then I have applied some modifier. So I want to occupy the entire width, so use fill max width. Height, I have kept it as 100 dp. Background, I have applied it as light gray, and have applied some padding as well. Then I have applied one border, so border width is 1 dp, color is color.red, shape is rounded corner shape. Then I have applied some padding as well between our text and our border, so that it looks good. Then here you can determine, like suppose if you are showing the next or the done keyboard, so wait, I'll show you it in a better way. So if you see over here, I am setting the IME action as next, so that's why you are able to see this next button on keyboard. If you want, you can keep it as done as well. Now if you how to know once the user has clicked the next button or the done button, so for that you can use something like this. So if it is next, on next will be fired, if it is done, on done will be fired, and so on and so forth. Next, I have applied some text style as well. So if you see here, I have created one font folder inside res, and I have dragged and dropped one font to our font folder. Again, the font name should be in small case without any dashes, that's why I'm using underscore, and everything is in lowercase. And here, as you can see, I'm using color red. Font family is Pacifico regular. Font size is 18 sp, and for our keyboard I have kept it the capitalization as sentences. Autocorrect, I have kept it as false. IME action, like the button which you see on the keyboard, I have kept it as next, and keyboard type is of text. And then I have applied one spacer so that everything is blank. You don't need this spacer for a text field. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.